and they think that they can lord it over everyone. Mr. Speaker, as a matter of principle, this is the organ of government that oversights the other organs of government. Mr. Speaker, we oversight the executive, we also oversight the judiciary in terms of their budget. And we oversight the independent commissions. So this message must go out very clearly and loudly so, that regardless of who you are, and especially if you happen to sit in the cabinet, you must understand that apart from being answerable to the appointing authority, you are squarely answerable to this House. And if this House invites you, everything else can wait. In fact, must wait. And you run here to address the issues over which you have been invited. Mr. Speaker, I have heard a lot of complaints from my members here. A lot of complaints from my members here regarding this particular cabinet secretary, about how contemptuous she continues to treat not only members of parliament, but also the institution of parliament as a whole. This is something that cannot be countenanced, especially in the face of the 2010 Constitution, which bestows on this House enormous responsibility. Enormous responsibility. Mr. Speaker, let me say this, that if this House wants to protect its integrity, its credibility, and safeguard its independence and authority, it must use one such case as an example. Just take the boldest step and indict this cabinet secretary once and for all. Mr. Speaker, I will be more than happy. Honorable Chungwa, I'll be more than happy to second you if you are to move a motion here of impeachment against this cabinet secretary. And there are many. There are many, these kind of persons, these characters. There are many. Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, I don't engage with them, but my members do.